I want to know how you get in the mindset for playing these characters.
Yeah. Well, Kevin went deep. He went method. He texted me. He's like, "Hey DJ, come on over to my trailer for a second. I want to show you something." I was like, "Okay." And he's like, "Look what I can do." And he's like, "It's like, wait, don't do that, Kevin." He's like, "Look what I can lick." Hold on, don't let me know.
Do you think people look like their pets?
Have you ever seen Hobbs? You gotta see him. Yeah.
You got one eye going that way. Because my dog loves me.
No. That dog doesn't even respond to commands.
I'm a great owner. He's deaf.
No.
Okay? That's why.
Do you guys have any weird pets growing up?
A parrot, didn't you?
I did,
A
yes.
parrot?
Go to school with one.
Yes, to just repeat everything I say. Yes.
Hey, puppy.
Letting pets sleep in bed with you, yay or nay?
Big yay over here.
That's a nay. No.
No dogs in
No
the
dogs?
bed. Licking your ass.
What kind of experience have you had with your dog?